beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to show you how to get credit cards, especially if you do not have the money to get a secure credit card, how to get credit cards without them actually checking your credit. A lot of people ask me, Rickita, I can't get these secure credit cards. What should I actually do? How do I get normal credit cards? And when I say normal, I mean without putting money down on these credit cards. How can I get these credit cards? So I want to show you a method that I show all of my clients how to actually get these credit cards so that you can get a lot of offers for credit cards and your probability of actually getting approved will be very great, will be very high. So the first step I want you guys to understand is that you have to opt into a service called Factor Trust. It's actually just a small credit bureau. They collect your information, but what they do is they send your information out to all of the different credit card companies saying, hey, Rickita is looking into getting credit. So now you're going to get so many offers in the mail from so many credit card companies. And when you get these offers in the mail, your chances of getting approved for those credit cards is very great. All you have to do is just go to their website and just apply for the credit card. So let me show you what I want you to do. So like I said, I want you to opt into Factor Trust. Make sure that you're actually opting in and click submit. Now, when you go to the next page, you need to submit all this information. When you submit all this information, you basically tell them, hey, yeah, give this information to the credit card companies so that you can get the offers in the mail. Now, make sure that this is the same information that's on your Equifax credit report. So if you don't have a copy of your credit reports, look down in the description. I have a link where you can get your credit reports for just $1 just to start off. And then they'll charge you $21.99 if you want to keep your credit reports. But if you don't want to keep your credit reports, just cancel and you'll have all three of your credit reports. But look at your Equifax credit reports and see your name that they have and then also your address. That's really huge, you guys. Make sure that that information is on Equifax. So go ahead and put your first and last name in, put your social security number in, your date of birth in, put your address in. And remember, make sure that this is your current address because they're going to send offers to your address. And when you go ahead and apply for the credit card, you're going to need to put that same address in. So that's the place where they're going to actually send you that credit card. And make sure you put your email address in and click confirm. After you do this, they're going to tell you, hey, we're going to have you in the system by 5 days. So I always tell people, hey, just wait a little bit and you're going to start getting offers in the mail. Now, another place I want you to opt into just to make sure that you're really going to get these offers in the mail faster and make sure you can get a lot of offers. I want you to do the opt-out pre-screen. Now, the opt-out pre-screen is when you can say, hey, I don't want to get credit card offers, but you can flip the script and say, hey, you know what? Send me the offers. So click here, go ahead and scroll down and click right here where it says click here to opt in or opt out. So go ahead and click right there. And I want you guys to keep scrolling down. Keep scrolling down. Oh, hold on. I don't know why the screen do that. There you go right there. Here's the correct screen right here where it says opt in. So make sure you guys are opting in. This is the same exact thing like Factor Trust, but they actually for more details. So let me show you what I mean by that. So make sure you opt in, click continue. Go ahead and put your first and last name in, put your social security number in, put your date of birth in, put your address in with your city, state, and zip code, and they're asking for your telephone number. I suggest that you put your telephone number in so that they can have you in their system. And after you do that, make sure you guys do the security at the bottom. So L6W9S8. S4. Make sure you guys get that correct and click confirm. Now, after you do this, you guys, you're going to get so many offers in the mail. So let me show you a few websites where you're going to be able to get approved for these different offers. So let me show you what I mean. So CapitalOne is one of the first companies. I always tell people, hey, if CapitalOne send you an offer in the mail, go ahead and accept it. So let's just go to their regular website. So when it comes down to CapitalOne, you can click right here. It says see if you're pre-approved. But then they're going to send you a direct website that you can actually click on to go ahead and see if you had to respond to a mail-in offer. So I always like to hover over credit cards and just go right here where it says redeem a mail offer. You're only going to really get these mail-in offers if you do those two forms. So after you get your mail-in offer, you're going to have a reservation number and then you're going to have an access code. Put both of these in, fill out the application, how they want you to fill it out, and then they should be able to give you that credit card. Now, with CapitalOne, I always tell people when it comes down to CapitalOne, you're able to get 2 personal credit cards and you're able to get 2 business credit cards. So let me show you the credit cards you should get, so that you can go ahead and have credit cards under your name. So depending on what credit card they give you when you go ahead and do the credit card offer that you get in the mail, these are the two credit cards or starter credit cards I always tell people to get. Get the Platinum MasterCard and the Quicksilver One Rewards. So these two is like the ones I always tell people to go ahead and try to get these credit cards here. This is the secure one, but again, we don't want to these for the people that don't want to do secure. You want to get like a regular credit card. So if they give you the Quicksilver One Rewards, when you do the mail-in offer, if you get approved for that one, go ahead and apply for the Platinum MasterCard because they should approve you for that one also. But like I said, you can have two personal and two business. Now, that's the Capital One credit card. So go ahead, you guys. If you ever messed up with Capital One, you owe them money, don't do this because they're not going to give it to you. You got to pay your bill first, then they'll give you a credit card. Now, let's go to the next company, CreditOne Bank. CreditOne Bank will give you an offer in the mail also. And I always tell people, if you had bankruptcy before, don't be scared because after bankruptcy, they'll still give you this credit card, which is really good. So if you had bankruptcy before, I've seen people get this credit card a month after bankruptcy, still apply for this credit card right here. And you see where it says at the top, if you just go to creditonebank.com, accept mail offer. Go ahead and click right there, and then they're going to ask you for the same details that's on that letter that they're going to send you saying, hey, we pre-qualified you for a credit card. So they're going to ask for your approval code and then also your zip code. And then you'll click continue. And then you're going to go through the steps, and then they should be able to give you that credit card. Now, you can also, too, see if you pre-qualify. So CreditOne Bank have it where they can actually pre-qualify you for a credit card, and it shouldn't hurt your credit score at all. So this is what you'll have to do. You have to put your first name, last name, your mailing address, city, state, zip code, email address, your main phone number, social security number, your date of birth, and your total monthly income. Usually they ask for your yearly income, but they're asking for your monthly income. And then you're able to calculate your monthly income too. But remember, whatever you make per year, just divide that by 12. That's how much you're going to make basically in a month. But yeah, CreditOne Bank is a great way if you can't really put the money down for a secure credit card, just go and get this credit card right here. Another credit card is Fortiva. A Fortiva credit card. I ain't seen somebody do a mail-in offer and got a $1,000 credit card with them. But go to myfortiva.com and you can see right here, respond to a mail offer. So they'll send you a mail-in offer too, and all you have to do is enter your acceptance code. Now, when you get these mail-in offers, you guys, I mean, your chances of getting approved for these credit cards are greater. So go ahead and enter your acceptance code and click submit. And next, the next credit card I want to show you guys about is the Mission Lane credit card. Now, the Mission Lane credit card, you may have seen this on Credit Karma, most likely. You may have seen it on Credit Karma, but they have a mail-in offer for this. So go ahead and respond to a mail offer. Now, with the mail offer, you guys, all you have to do is put your 12-digit code in, your 12-character code in, and click unlock the offer. And they'll tell you what your offer is, and then you can go ahead and basically just do the application that you'll have to do and get approved. Now, these are just some of the companies that you can actually do. I told you guys first about Factor Trust and opt-out pre-screen. I told a lot of people on my channel about this from the shopping cart trick, because the shopping cart trick is where you opt into both of these companies and you're able to do the application online without actually having a code. So go ahead and check out my channel. All you have to do is just put in the search bar right here, just put shopping cart trick, and then you'll see all my videos on the shopping cart trick. So look right here. We have Victoria's Secrets, you have the Overstock, you got the Good Sam, and one of my clients right here, you see this video, I was able to approve them for a $3,000 Visa card. And again, this is just basically doing that opt-in. If you opt in, you're going to be able to get so many different offers when you go to these websites. You got Lane Bryant, you got Express. So definitely, you guys, check it out. And if you guys ever have any questions, definitely let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.